Hey guys, it's Dem Kids Mama back with another Microloc video, this time with one of them kids. This is my 16-year-old Naya. We are installing Microlocs in her hair. This has been over a course of a few days, so right here this shows where I am in the process. The previous pictures was the grid that I used. I did go back and I straightened up some of the parts because some of the parts were not as defined as I wanted them to. So here I'm just working on the last section that I have so I can complete this install. I am using the 2-strand twist method to make sure that it took a lot quicker, and it was just the method that I use. That's all I got. No specific reason or whatever, but that's just what I did. I did what I did. I used the 2-strand twist method for her hair, and I braided the ends of it. So you're gonna see as I get to the end, about an inch before the end, I start braiding it. So I start braiding the ends so they would not unravel quickly. So here I started on another twist, and just go down, twist, braid the end until I'm done. Now it ended up turning out really well. And she really liked her starter locks. We decided to go this way with her because hair care and Naya does not match. They don't go together. They're unequally yoked. That's what we're gonna go with. She's not big with keeping up with her hair or maintaining a routine with her hair. So this is what we decided to do to keep hair on her head, because she does not enjoy the combing process. She is on the spectrum, but on the high end of the spectrum, and it's just certain feels and sensory things that she don't enjoy, and combing and detangling her hair is one of them. So I figured that this would be a good way for her to be able to still look like somebody love her, still look like that she belongs to someone, and but yet still have her hair, always have her hair presentable. So I am down to the last few rows here, and I think this is about it. I'm just going to let the music play so you can just see what I did. That's it. So this is the finished product. I finished her hair. I finished twisting it. Her locks are a bit bigger than mine, only because she did not want them very, very small. So I made them this size. I'm going to go back and interlock it later. Remember, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post another one. Have a good one. Bye.